Before. After. Before. After. Before. After. Before. After. Before. After. Before. After. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and support this channel. This preset link in the description. So let's get started. At first select the picture. Go to Light. Exposure plus 0.20. Contrast plus 22. Highlights minus 100. Shadows plus 100. Whites minus 100. Blacks minus 4. Go to Curve. White. Go to Red color. Go to Green color. Go to Blue color. Go to Color Mix. And done. Go to Color. Temp minus 4. Tint plus 20. Saturation minus 8. Go to Color Mix. Saturation minus 38. Luminance plus 38. Go to Orange color. Saturation minus 39. Luminance minus 5. Go to Yellow color. Saturation plus 50. Luminance plus 24. Go to Green color. Hue minus 2. Saturation -10. Luminance -5. Go to aqua color. Hue +10. Saturation -10. Luminance +10. Go to blue color. Hue -14. Saturation -25. Go to purple color. Hue +20. Saturation -50. Luminance +20. Go to magenta color. Hue +20. Saturation -40. Luminance +20. And done. Go to Effects. Clarity +10. Slide down. Go to Detail. Sharpening 26. Go to 3-dot icon. Copy setting. And done. Before. After. Go to Next Picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to Next Picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to Next Picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to Next Picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to Next Picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Now complete your preset.